Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a plan with me using this absolutely gorgeous Mother's Day themed kit. This one's called My Mom. This is the Magical Monthly Mystery Sub, which I already did the unboxing for, so I'm just going to kind of flip through the pages, and if you want to see the unboxing in a little more detail, you can go head over to that video and check it out if you haven't seen it already. Here are your little quarter pages. I made some changes, which I will go over as we are going through the plan with me. So I definitely made few changes, and if you're a regular subscriber, you've already seen them. You already know what's different in this kit. I've also already laid down the monthly. So I pulled out the monthly from the kit that you get, from the little bundle that you get, and I laid it down in my very brand new, this will be the very first month that I use the new TPC planner. So I'm going to start it in the month of May. So I laid down the month of May, and I've got all of my stickers in here, all of my important things. So every month, even though this is May, so I'm 2 months ahead on laying down my monthlies, there are certain things that don't change or that I already know in advance. So I have those boxes down, and then there's like that 4 boxes at the bottom section where there is nothing, that I thought that was like a really good place to put like the bills, like the budget, like little areas to kind of write in. And then I've got like my Costco run on the 14th, because we always do Costco once a month, and it's always the month right after the first payday, so we're going to do that. So, and then this is the cover from my new planner. Isn't it stinking adorable? Oh my god. So this is a Planner with Manny cover, and this is a collaboration with TPC Nation. So that is the Alice in Wonderland one, and I love it. So for this week, I'm going to be planning in my Avalon the Ninth planner, and then this is the foil. And the foil bundle, I'm not really going to use too much of the foil in this because I love it without. I did put a few little pops of foil here and there, which you'll see as we go on, but I didn't really use very much of it, so it's kind of just sitting off to the side, but we'll talk about foil later. So I'm going to start by laying down like I always do. I'm going to lay down my headers, I'm going to lay down my washi, and we're just going to go to town. So while that's happening, I'm going to tell you some of the new things that I have going on. So as we get to them, I'll probably stop. Isn't that cute? Love, love, love this paper. So I'm going to start talking to you a little bit about why I think if this is something that is right up your alley, if you love Disney art, if you love like weird stories with Disney, if you like having like exclusive art, I think, even though I know it's my company, I think this is the best time for you to sign up. And I'll tell you why. There are some big changes coming, and they are great, fantastic changes for you guys. I think you're going to love it. I think I've made a lot of really good changes to the kit, making it functional and beautiful and fun and easy to use. So hopefully that like this format is something that will work for you guys. I know that I give you a lot of stickers in your kit, but the way that I've been trying to structure the stickers in the kit is so that you can either use them in a daily, if you have like daily spreads, B, if you have multiple planners like a B6, you can also use them in your B6, so you can kind of spread it out. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love that paper so, so much. Anyway, back to what I was saying. And I tried to give you like a lot of solid colored stuff that was in like the colors of the season. So this is a very since this is May, it's Mother's Day, it's a very kind of spring and florally kit, so I wanted to go with like the spring florally colors and theme for it. So like your colors here, you can save and use with other spring kits that would have like the yellows and the blues and the pinks and the purples and all that in it. So anyway, that's my idea for what I'm trying to do with these kits, to try to make them both functional and beautiful all at the same time. So you have extras that you can spread out in between multiple planners, or save for another spread or whatever it is that you want to use your extras for. And because you have a monthly as well, you can also use the monthlies, the extra monthlies in your daily, or you can use your dailies in your monthly, depending on which thing that you want to put more boxes in. And I'm struggling with this. Let me explain really fast before I go on with my story. This is a prototype, so as I'm laying it down, I'm also learning about what I messed up on. So I have not cut, as of the filming of this video, I have not yet cut the subs, and so I fixed that. So it is now the proper size where it covers both days as a double box. When I was putting it down, I just didn't think about it, so I fixed it since then. So that little side note. Anyway, so I made sure that you guys have like a lot of extra things that you can utilize throughout the entire month of April. So that's why I give you a lot. I know I give you a lot, and I haven't heard anybody complain about giving a lot, but I have watched people's plans with me when they're like, I have so much to choose from, I don't know what to do. So I feel the same way. I'll be putting down my stickers and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have so much to choose from. What do I want to do? But it always, I mean, I'd rather you have too much than not enough. So anyway, so now on to some news. So I'm sure I can tell. Some of my PR girls could not tell. I could tell 100% that this is obviously not the same artist that I've been using since I started my subs. My artist went missing. She disappeared off the face of the earth for a little while because she is in a war-torn country where she cannot work anymore and she cannot get paid for her work. She is not stable. There is no place for her to work from. So I have kept in touch with her. I finally got a hold of her. Thankfully, she is okay, but I am not, obviously, she's devastated by the fact that she can't keep doing her art and keep working, but at the moment, she just can't. So when things are back to a good place for her and she's ready, I will most definitely be working with her again. She will be doing our Harry Potter art. I've already told her that as soon as she's ready to, we will start working on the next set of Harry Potter art. So no worries, she's not gone, but she will not be doing the monthly magical mystery stuff anymore. This is my new artist. Her name is Ellie. I absolutely love her. I have worked with her in the past, and this was a project that she's very excited about to be a part of. She's on board. We are 3 months in advance here as far as like kit art is concerned. She is now working. She's currently already almost done with next month, and then we have already started the art boards for the month of June. So phenomenal artist, beautiful. She gets me, I get her. It's just like, it's perfect. So this art is absolutely gorgeous, and I think you guys are really going to love the themes that we're working on for the rest of the year. Like I said, like I have most of it, it's all in my head, and she is like super quick to just like pick it out of my head and start working with it. So I'm really excited about it. I mean, I feel horrible for my artist that is I can't use right now. But like I said, we will meet again. So no worries about that. But I am excited to introduce you to Ellie and to know that this is going to be the style and the artwork that you're going to be seeing for the rest of, well, hopefully forever. Hopefully forever. Anyway, so other news is I also, remember I told you guys that I was working on washi, so for, as long as everything works out and like it gets here in time, I do have washi for next month's kit. So I've already designed it, it's already in production. I am just basically waiting, obviously for shipping confirmation, and then I can start tracking when it's going to get here, and fingers crossed it will get here in time for the subs for next month. So I'm really excited because Ellie and I worked on the designs for the washi, and then I submitted them, and they will be foiled, and I'm really excited to share those with you. So that's coming. And then the last thing to tell you about, which I just wanted to like show you guys and to talk to you about, if you were on the fence about signing up or you're worried about the foil or something like that, because I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to be 100% transparent and honest. I despise making foil, guys. I despise it. I love using it now. I've become a foil user, but I absolutely despise making it. I'm terrible at it. It's a frustrating process for me. Half the time, this stuff doesn't go right. It doesn't cut right. It doesn't foil right. You can see the underside. I absolutely despise it. So, but I do it because I know people love it, and God bless your little souls, you always buy it, and I never really hear anybody complain about it, so I don't know if it's just all in my head or what, but it's not my favorite thing to do. So that's the other news. If you're a foil lover and you're a Disney lover, this is the perfect time for you to sign up for the subs, because hopefully, as long as the shipping isn't a problem and everything, it will be coming with the foil. We are having the foil manufactured. So it is going to be flawless and gorgeous and beautiful and universal. So if you don't want to use it in the month that it's in, it is not going to be specific to the month. It is going to be, I will have things that are specific to the month. Let me backtrack before I get a bunch of, what are you doing? I know that people like the fact that the foil is exclusive to the kits. That is not that is not what I'm talking about. Like the foil is very much still going to be the Disney theme, but it's going to be like a base kit, and then I'm going to have extra boxes that are overlays that are specific to that kit. So if you don't want to use it, so think about like a full 6-page kit of like Disney themed background stuff that you can use on any kit that you want in multiple different foil choices depending on which month that I release them and what foil goes best with the kit. And then imagine having an extra quarter sheet with 4 overlay boxes that are specific to that month. So say if I had it for this month, which I don't, if I had it for this month, you would have 4 extra overlay boxes that would be all Disney Mother's Day themed. I can't tell you the other ones or else I'd be giving away the mystery part of the kits, but you get the idea. So I've already submitted all that stuff in to be made for you already. So hopefully you guys are going to love it. So like I said, if you're on the fence or if you're a kit only and you want to try out the foil, this is going to be a perfect time, or switch over the foil for the month of May. Because this month it's going to be the stuff that I made, which is the pink metallic, which you're looking at right now. But next month it's going to be the manufactured stuff. So anyway, I think that's all the news that I had that I wanted to tell you about. I'm just going to continue putting down all of my stickers and get, I decided to kind of just throw down some of the foil pieces because I wanted to see how they looked. And then I thought, you know what, I really like it. So I'm going to keep going with just a few little pieces here and there. Not going to cover up my artwork with the foil because I love this. Absolutely love the way it looks. It's just gorgeous. The artwork is just gorgeous, and I don't feel any need to cover it up with foil. So I am going to put them just over like the glitter and that kind of stuff. So some of the other changes that I made to the kit were to give you lots of little things, lots of labels. The check boxes, I thought people would really enjoy the check boxes. I know I do. I love the check boxes. I know I haven't pulled them out yet because they're so new even to me that I forgot I had them. So you'll see me pull them out here in just a minute. The paint swatches, those seem to be like a huge hit for people right now. A lot of people love the paint swatches. I think it's that like, not a box. It's not a box. It's not a squiggly box. It's not a rounded corner box. It's just something different to break up the monotony of your rows. And so I think that's why people love the paint swatches so much. So I made sure you had a whole page full of paint swatches. I also forgot to use the little paint swatch hearts at the bottom, but those are also on there, and those are all kiss cut, so you can use them as either check boxes or decoration or whatever it is that you want to use them for. Glitter headers aren't going anywhere because that is my favorite place to just put little pops of foil here and there, so I can just throw the headers over the glitter headers. And then the doodle boxes, those aren't going anywhere either. Those little scallop boxes, I love those. And I love the way that they kind of break up the page as well. And you can see now I just realized, hey, I forgot I had the check boxes. And so I'm going to pull those in. What else did I change? Put the functional stuff in there. I think I already talked about it, but in case I didn't or I wasn't paying attention to what I was saying, the work labels are in there. The bill dues are in there. Stuff to make your planner functional and beautiful all at the same time. So still have the labels, like the importance to do's, today's, appointments kind of stuff is still in there. And then lots of functional boxes. So I decided to just do the ombre check boxes in just like the three lined ombre check boxes instead of the big ones, because I still want to give you the big boxes for you to be able to put your glitter overlays in if you wanted to. And if you make that a checkbox, then you really don't have anywhere to put your glitter foil overlays. Like if you have like the full box overlays that you want to put on the full boxes, I wanted to leave those blank so that you could do that if you wanted to, or you can just use them to write in, which is usually what I do. I don't always use, see, like this, like you can just put your little glitter right in the middle and you're good to go. I put that on a Friday because I already know there isn't a whole lot going on that Friday. Since I have my planner open up there in the corner and I'm looking at it, I know pretty much what's going on each one of these days at a glance. Just like if there's something specific that I needed to put down, I made sure I had a box for it. But for the most part, I'm just throwing boxes down. I don't really have any rhyme or reason for where I'm putting them. I just want to throw them down there because they look cute. I love putting down those little, I don't know, odd shaped boxes, which for that one, I love using that one with like a little, what do you call it? Like a little character sticker or one of my icon stickers because, and then I just like write a little note inside of the circle because it just looks super cute that way. I do that quite a lot. And then I'm just going to finish up the last section right here. This is Sunday the 15th. And then I think that's going to be it. So what do you think? Do you like this? I hope you guys are excited. I am so excited to like share all of this stuff with you guys, and I can't wait to see like what comes next. I can give you a little hint that very near future is another villains kit. So if you were in love with the first villains kit with the Thanksgiving villains kit, you're going to be excited because there's another one coming. And that's the only hint I'm going to give you for what's coming up in the future. So time to sign up, guys. Go sign up. April 1st, I will leave it linked below to where you can find. So when you go to the website though, keep in mind that nothing is there for you to click on and look at until the 1st. So you can go sign up and be a part of like the actual like page itself, and you can sign up there, but you can't sign up for the kits until the 1st, and they are limited. I don't have an unlimited amount of them. I try to add a few more every month, but for the most part I have my subs, and then after I have my subs I have my add-ons. So I have a very limited number of add-ons, so once it opens up, if you want to sign up, the 1st is probably the best time to do it. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys love this. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.